There says, I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. Your today's online class, I try to teach about article. You know that article is the grammar of first position of learning language. You know, A and D are called article. A and D are called article. Now today I teach you how to use indefinite article a and indefinite article an. There says, if I want to write any article, you must be grammatically correct. So you should learn how to use article. Use of article a n. If the word beginning consonant, we can use a before the noun. As for example, I need dash book. This word begin consonant B. So we can use here article A. If the word begin vowel, we can use an. As for example, I buy a kilo of orange. A kilo of the orange, but we can use an before the common noun or word orange an. As for example, I want an orange. There says, If the word begin by consonant H and H is silent, we can use and before the word. As for example, an hour. Here H is silent. H is silent in pronunciation, but we can use a horse, a horse, a horse, a horse. Here S is clearly pronounced. If the word begin by letter vowel, we can use an apple. If the word begin letter vowel, we can use a one taka note, a 1 taka note. Here the word O is pronounced wa. Dear SS, we can use any abbreviation word. As for example, an MA, an FRCS. Dear SS, you should remember always these rules to insert the article to your exercise book. Without learning rule, you cannot use article. Thank you. Our next class, I shall teach you definite article the. Welcome, my dear learners.